was 5 years out of high school when I started working at Printpak, and now I'm a grandmother of 2 grandkids. I enjoy working with Printpak. It's my family. It is literally my second family. I spend as much time here at Printpak as I do with my own.
Printpak began 60 years ago as the vision and the work of one man, James Erskine Love Jr. In 1956, Erskine started the business in a rented basement in Sandy Springs, Georgia, with himself as the only employee and a used cellophane bag machine as the only piece of equipment. By working hard, working smart, and sticking to his core values, Erskine grew Printpak year after year until it became the multinational, multi-billion-dollar company it is today, with 19 manufacturing facilities and over 3,700 associates worldwide. So much of Printpak's history is tied to the story and values of Erskine, who believed that success is attributed to great associates, both past and present, and excellent customer service.
At Printpak, we have a culture of caring about each other and working together to serve our customers.
Throughout all the changes and growth of the past 60 years, Printpak has remained a family business focused on the people that work here.
Well, Printpak to me is, first and foremost a family. I think people connect with the other associates around, and you feel very comfortable sharing your life experiences, not just work, but outside of work, and you really become part of a larger group.
It's a big company, you have a bunch of people everywhere around, but at the same time it's a small company. Everybody knows each other, everybody's about like, hey, how are you doing? Everybody knows, they treat you like a family.
Printpak has a great family-oriented atmosphere, and I certainly appreciate that.
It's always been like family here.
The commitment to our associates and their welfare shows up in what people like most about Printpak.
My favorite thing about Printpak is getting to work with a lot of good folks that we interact with on a daily basis around here. That's the best thing that I have to say about the company, the people that work here.
They treat their employees really good. Their employees are their best asset, and they have a commitment to excellence in providing for their customer.
My favorite thing about Printpak is the challenges. It's challenging, and it's not a challenge as far as to make you feel kind of overwhelmed, but it challenges you as a person, to do better, to strive to be better, and to work better with others, to communicate better with others, and it helps you become a better person.
My favorite thing about Printpak is my job is different every day. And it makes it fun to come to work when you have a variety of things you can influence and help with, and the teamwork that we have here is probably second to none.
course of 60 years, technologies have changed, and Printpak has changed with them.
There's been so many technological advances throughout the printing industry. It's just unreal. Printpak has embraced all of them, as many of them as we can, to put into this practice.
The changes in technology over the past 26 years there's been a lot of changes. We've gone from rubber plates and old type puzzle type putting together, mounting the plates, to better registration.
Printpak has always been a company that looks to the future, not with fear, but with excitement at the opportunities offered by a changing world.
You know, I think we're continuously challenging ourselves to be better. We are a very service-oriented company, so we look for and always try to find the best way to do our work every day.
Innovation is critical to take us into the next 60 years at Printpak. The marketplace has become more competitive. We have overseas competition, we have a war for talent, and in order to engage our customers today, we need to offer new and fresh products and services to them. The same old just isn't going to do it anymore.
As we look forward and plan for the next 60 years, we know that so much of our future will be rooted in the very principles and values on which we were founded. We will challenge ourselves not only to remember our past, but to also, in the words of Erskine, be willing to encourage and accept change, to experiment, to explore the unknown, to take risks, and above all, seek excellence in everything you do. It is our great associates, past, present, and future, who make this possible, and the best is yet to come.